Good evening, everyone. And today we are going to be looking at the Cruzer Fit 64 gigabyte USB flash drive. Now, storage is a big thing when it comes to photography. As many of you know, I am a big photographer in New York and a photographer in Philadelphia as well. Those are just two of the places where I do most of my business. And I've been doing that for the last, I would say, 10, 11 years, probably even a little more. But one of the issues that you run into when dealing with customers or when dealing with clients or when dealing with anyone you work with or with your own personal work is how do you store your photos or your videos? Because if you're working with video, and the bigger the video is, the clearer the video is, the better quality your video is, you're going to require a lot of storage space. And that's why companies like Dropbox and companies like iCloud will offer their product at such a premium, and you'll see that before long you'll run out of storage space for the convenience of being able to access your files wherever you go. Some of those options may be beneficial to you, but if you just want to be able to access your files and to have them on you at all times, like I do, then that's where this product comes in handy. And this is the product that you're going to see it in the lower right hand side of your screen. And look how small it is. Now already you're going to see, because of the size and dimensions, the main problem you're going to have with this device is going to be not losing it. Because you see, it comes with a case, small case that you can put it in, but you see how small it is. It's about the size of the tip of my index finger, maybe a little smaller. And in looking at that, you can tell that it can easily get lost. It's not of a bright color where you can easily stands out. So, but one thing I can say is that the way I use it, I just leave it connected to my laptop at all times. I haven't found a reason yet where I have to take it off. You can purchase this on Amazon, on eBay, and it'll run on Amazon anywhere from $12 to about $20 depending on when you buy it. I usually try to stock up on these when they have some kind of deals, and the last deal was a little bit before Thanksgiving, so I bought about 6 of these for about $12 each. And what I like about this is that they hold so much memory. It's 64 gigabytes you're receiving for about $12. When these first came out, this is how they look. When these started going smaller, I remember I was traveling in India, and it's right on the other side. This is the Cruzer Blade, and there it is. The same way that some people sell drugs underground, they were selling these USB flash drives on the black market for about $10. And if you remember back, the first time I went to India was 2008. Back then, a device like this in the United States was anywhere from $20 to $30. So imagine buying it in India for about $10, a fraction of the cost that it would cost you in the United States. Now here we are in 2019. Oh, and the storage space they were selling at that time for devices small, it was $30 for, let's say, 16 gigabytes. All right. Now we're in 2019. For about $13, you get 64 gigabytes. And the way I have it hooked up to my computer, I just let it sit there. When I transfer photos from whatever editing program that I'm using, I have it deposit the photos directly into the Cruzer Fit. Whether I'm working on a video project or whether I'm working on a photo project, I don't have to touch it at all. I don't have to take it out at all. You know it's working and it's reading and that files are transferring because it has a small orange light, a small orange LED light that lights up whenever it's in use, whenever it's reading, whenever it's processing. So it stays out of the way. It's about the same size as the Logitech receiver, which I also never take out. I have no reason to take it out. Some people are very good with not losing it, but I don't know too many of those people, including myself. Now, with this, I have reduced the amount of space that I have on external hard drives, as well as the amount of space that I use on cloud services like Dropbox and like iCloud or Amazon, whichever one you prefer. If you use Dropbox, you'll realize that the space you'll start to notice that you'll start running out of space soon, and then you start mixing and matching different accounts, or you start buying more space, which is not that economical. But with this, I have found to be a great solution. It's not the perfect solution, but it's a great solution when you just want to have something to save all your projects on. And of course, if you work in photography, you know you want to save your projects 3, 4, 5 times in a lot of different ways. Hard drive after hard drive after hard drive, but also on a USB flash drive such as this one. Now it's economical. Now it is possible. It's something that I recommend if you have hundreds of thousands of photos. And of course, if you care to look at my photos, you're going to see the link in the description to my Instagram page right under this one, right under this video, as well as just being able to rewind this video and sharing it with your friends. So I have found this to be very functional for my purposes. On the package it says it's a perfect fit for notebooks, tablets, TVs, and car audio systems. Some car radios have the USB functionality. Some TVs, some smart TVs have the USB functionalities that you can save movies on this device and then transfer them for playability on your TV. So that's my review for this project. I'm using one right now. I have no need to open this right now. I have about 5 others. So I don't want to lose it. I just want to keep it in here for now. So if you have any questions or comments about this product, feel free to ask in the comment section, and I will get to it as soon as I can. Again, you can get it at Amazon. You can get it on eBay. But the one thing I will say is the best way I have found to keep from losing it is to, when I don't have any bag on me, is to place it on the 5th pocket. If you're wearing jeans, just keep it there. If you have a backpack, place it, usually has a small compartment inside, most camera bags, where you are able to keep small devices like this or receivers or perhaps spare batteries. Just keep it in there. You don't want to go losing something like this. So anyway, with that being said, go on and have a great day.